Let's start. Best of luck.
The professor suggested that every student their essay by Monday morning. A. Submits. B. Submit. C. Submitted. The manager insisted that the report reviewed before the meeting. A. B. B. Is. C. Was. At home, Aisha decided to put cleaning until the weekend. A. Up. B. Off. C. Out. The committee divided in its opinion about the new policy. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. Not only the teacher explained the topic clearly, but she also gave extra examples. A. Did. B. Does. C. Has. Daniel is responsible preparing the monthly performance report. A. Of. B. For. C. To. The dean recommended that the new rule applied immediately. A. Is. B. Be. C. Was. The family watching a documentary about ancient civilizations. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. Maria has decided to call her birthday party due to illness. A. On. B. Off. C. Out. The management agreed to extend the project deadline. A. Has. B. Have. C. Are. The teacher asked that all mobile phones turned off during the exam. A. Are. B. Be. C. Were. In the meeting, not only the plan presented, but it was also approved. A. Was. B. Were. C. Has been. Emma is fond baking new recipes on weekends. A. For. B. In. C. Of. The research team collecting data from various universities. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. I suggest that Liam more careful with his experiment next time. A, is. B, C, was. The staff members were proud of their successful charity event. A, of. B, for. C, about. Not until the teacher entered the students stopped talking. A, did. B, do. C, have. The company decided to look the cause of the technical issue. A, into. B, for. C, on. The family planning a trip to Singapore next month. A, is. B, are. C, were. The professor demanded that the assignment rewritten. A, B. B, was. C, is. Hardly the manager started speaking when the lights went out. A, had. B, has. C, did. Arjun is capable solving complex mathematical problems. A, in. B, of. C, with. The HR team suggested that employees the survey honestly. A, fill. B, filled. C, fills. The twins were excited their first day at school. A, about. B, for. C, of. The company called the deal after reviewing the contract. A, on. B, off. C, up. The majority of students ready for the class presentation. A, is. B, are. C, was. I insist that James present at tomorrow's meeting. A, is. B, C, was. The children were tired but happy, laughing, and in the garden. A, played. B, playing. C, plays. The teacher reminded students to hand their homework before leaving. A, out. B, over. C, in. The data collected by the research group accurate? A. Is. B. Are. C. Have been. Never before such an enthusiastic class at this university. A. Has the professor seen? B. The professor has seen. C. The professor saw. Sarah is interested joining the creative writing club. A. On. B. In. C. For. The CEO demanded that all employees informed immediately. A. Were. B. Be. C. Are. The children helped clean the house, wash the dishes, and dinner. A. Cook. B. Cooked. C. Cooking. The teacher asked that the results announced tomorrow. A. B. B. Is. C. Was. The team decided to carry the project despite limited resources. A. On. B. Out. C. Up. The committee reviewing the new curriculum this week. A. Is. B. Are. C. Have. Not only the students complete the task early, but they also improved it. A. Did. B. Do. C. Have. The children are responsible keeping their rooms clean. A. For. B. Of. C. With. The supervisor insisted that everyone the safety rules. A. Follows. B. Follow. C. Followed. Seldom such dedication from the interns. A. Do we see? B. We see. C. Have we saw? Maria apologized for getting to reply to the email. A. For. B. Of. C. To. The teacher instructed that no one leave before the bell rang. A. Leaves. B. Leave. C. Left. The marketing team agreed to look new strategies next quarter. A. Over. B, into. C, for. The group of musicians performing at the cultural event tonight. A, is. B, are. C, were. Not until the results were published how close the competition was. A, did we realize? B, we realized. C, have we realized? The students are confident winning the quiz competition. A, in. B, of. C, about. The manager suggested that the proposal reviewed again. A, is. B, C, was. The teacher explained that honesty and discipline essential qualities. A, is. B, are. C, was. The team cleaned the office, organized the files, and the final report. A, submitted. B, submitting. C, submits.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.